Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to look at how to use the input command to take inputs from the reader, and we're going to print those out with by joining them to a string statement. So as you can see in my program here, I've got a simple print command on the first line, which is a literal string, asking a question, what is your name? And then on the second line I've created a variable called name, and I've assigned that variable to this command called input, leaving the parenthesis, the brackets there, empty. And then on the next line, on the third line, I've got another print command which starts off with a string called hi, and then I've put the plus symbol and then the variable name. Okay, and then close the parenthesis. Now, what you'll see when we run this program is the prompt asking me what is my name, what is your name. That's from line 1. And when I type in my name and press return, it then prints out the third line of the code, which is hi and my name. So there you go, there's a simple example of how you can do an input and assign that to a variable. Now, the second example we're going to use is a little bit more smarter, because what we're going to do is avoid writing the first sentence, the first string, which is the print command at the top, and instead we're going to just go to creating a variable. And this time I'm going to create the variable color. And again, I'm going to assign it to input, and in this case, within the parenthesis, I'm going to use quotation marks to be able to ask. Okay. And then we can still print out a statement at the end. With our variable name. And close the parenthesis. So let's run that and see what happens. This time you'll see the cursor is at the end of the sentence, but it's read out the color assignment variable there to the input. And I'm going to input color blue there, press enter, and then I see the final sentence, the final command, which is print, I like the color blue. So there you have it. There are two different ways there of using the input command in your programs. Have a play about with that and see how you get on. Thank you very much.